Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A drunk basket in Istanbul used to carry people home from the bars in 1960s. Rap rage is an actual condition when you feel extreme levels of anger and frustration because you are unable to open product packaging. It is believed that a single can would be enough to contain all the world COVID-causing virus, says Kit Yates. A man blew a small hole in his throat by holding his nose and closing his mouth while sneezing. He was in hospital for 2 weeks. Hippopotomonstropsis quiptalophobia is one of the longest words in the dictionary. E. Frankel, a Russian psychic, claimed he would stop a train with his psychic powers, so he stepped in front of freight train. It did not work. The Catacombs is an underground tomb in Paris that holds the remains of more than 6 million people. 1 in 5 people in France has experienced depression, making it the most depressed country in the world. Bats are the only mammal that can actually fly. Woman had no idea that she was having a heart attack until her Apple Watch alerted her about her abnormal heart rate. Viagra dissolved in water can make cut flowers stand up straight for up to a week beyond their natural lifespan. Lebanese artist uses broken glass and rubble from Beirut explosion to create a memorial. 16th century warrior found 30 feet deep in Lake Asveja with sword, leather boots and knives. In 2002, a 19-year-old garbage man won $15 million in lottery. He spent all it on drugs, gambling and prostitutes. Now he's a garbage man again. The tarantula hawk has one of the most painful stings on the planet. Old hat syndrome or sleep paralysis occurs in as many as 40% of all people. People in Slovakia, Austria and Hungary can sit at the same table without crossing the border. Turtles are not inside their shell, they are their shells. This is a permanent shadow of a person at the exact moment the atomic bomb went off in Hiroshima. Underneath the streets of Beijing, there are over 1 million people who live in nuclear bunkers. The image of the Japanese movie advertisement is printed on 2 sides of the newspaper so the full picture could be seen under some light. The largest bird to ever fly, the Earth lived 6 million years ago and has a wingspan of approximately 23 to 30 feet. Man stole $122 million from Facebook and Google by simply sending them random bills which they paid. One of the widest freeways in the world is the Katy Freeway. The first photo ever taken took 8 hours to capture. During the 18th century, you could pay your admission to the zoo in London by bringing a cat or a dog to feed the lions. The longest anyone is recorded to have stayed awake is 264 hours. This probably has penetrated your skin more than 100 times. Blue whales are the largest sea animal ever known to have lived on Earth. North Korea bans leather coats to stop people from stealing his style. Horses have the largest eyes of any land mammal. Greenland shark, the longest living vertebrate on the planet. The longest mathematical proof is 15,000 pages long. The only part of the body that has no blood supply is the cornea of the eyes. If you fall into a black hole, you will be able to see both the beginning and end of the universe due to time dilation. Human fingers can feel objects as small as 13 nanometers. Squid Game, Korean man gets bombarded with calls after his number appears on Netflix show. The sky is so dark on Pluto that a person would be able to see stars even during the daytime. Astronomers have detected around 4,000 habitable planets within our galaxy alone, and there are more than 2 trillion other galaxies. When invited by a lady to spend a night with her, Benjamin Franklin asked to postpone until winter when nights were longer. How old were you when you discovered that tongue rests on upper part of your mouth and not at the bottom? If you touch your tongue while yawning, it can stop the yawn. Toyota Tower has witnessed some pretty significant transformative changes over its lifetime. William Chandler, a South African pilot, had to resign after it was found he had a fake license and he was flying from last 20 years. What do you think is the world's biggest problem in the world right now?